Welcome! In front of me I have a Huawei Watch GT 5 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So to factory reset your watch through the phone application, of course your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health app. And once the devices are paired together, we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on devices, and here you should see your Huawei Watch GT 5. Once you see it, tap on it. Now scroll down and find the option called Restore Factory Settings. Once you find it, tap on this option, then tap on Restore. And after a second or two, the watch will disappear from the device page. It won't be here at the device page anymore, and it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. Let's wait, it should start resetting in a couple of seconds. Now, here we have it. You will see the Huawei logo. Once you do, it means that the reset is in the process, basically. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.